Hi everyone, welcome back. We decided to give you just a little bit more information on the real cameras inside Accur8vision. So we made you just this little video to kind of show you a little bit more in detail about the camera calibration tool, camera view limit, and also camera during an alarm event. So if you check out my colleague Christoph's desk here, he can show you a little bit more about it.
Click on Settings. Click on the camera that will need calibrating. When the camera's properties open, go to the bottom and click on the Calibration Editor button. This part is important and very easy. To calibrate the real camera on the left with the virtual camera on the right, you will need to find something that is both in the virtual world and the real world. For this example, we will use the garage door. Once you have everything lined up, click Apply and the Exit button. You will now be back on the editor screen. Click on Exit Settings. You can now see that the virtual camera's blue cone is facing the garage, and the real camera in the first camera slot is also facing the garage. When I move the camera in the first camera spot, you can see that the virtual camera moves with it. Click on Settings and then click on the camera for camera properties to open. Click on View Limit 1. You will then click on the Layers icon and checkmark Camera Limit. You will now see a green area on your screen representing where the camera will see. You can rotate this limit using the dials. Once you have the area set up for the camera, click on Apply. This is now the new view limit that the camera will see. Click on Exit Settings. You can right-click on the zone to arm it. You can turn on and off the camera limit if you'd like. You can see that once an intruder enters the zone, the camera follows them. You can also see, though, that once the intruder is out of the view of the camera won't keep tracking them. Because the cameras in Accur8vision are not controlled by video detection, but by the LiDAR and the camera working together in the system, this is really helpful when you have a camera on a building and you don't want the camera to rotate into the wall. You can see that the camera is again tracking the intruder as soon as the intruder walks back into the camera view limit. First, click on the Layers icon and checkmark Zones. As you can see, the blue zone appears. Click on Arm All. You can also see that the camera is focusing on the building. The blue cone from the camera represents where the camera is facing. Once the intruder enters an alarm zone, you can see that the camera rotated directly to the point of entry and follows the intruder now wherever it goes. Once the intruder is in the zone, you can see the trajectory, movement, and speed of the intruder. On the right-hand side, you will see a box that will tell you about the alarm. It will give the time the intruder has been in the zone, how many intruders are in the zone priority, zoom, and confirm. Click on Confirm to confirm the alarm. To disarm the zone, click on the Disarm All button at the top.
Okay, you're all set. And now on to the next tutorial video.